So, registration of the firm. The partnership firm is registered with the Registrar of Firms. Now, this Registrar of Firms is a person who is appointed by state government. As per this act, as per the section 57 of the act, the power has been given to state government to appoint the registrar of firms. Now, what does state government do? It appoints registrars for various provinces. Let's say, in the state of Maharashtra, Mumbai will have one registrar. The district of Chandrapur will have another. Solapur will have a third registrar. So, like this, various registrar of firms will be placed in their provinces. So, provincially it is distributed, and one registrar has to take up all the cases of registration, dissolution, whatever matters relating to firms are there in their jurisdiction. So if there is a registrar of Mumbai, he'll only take up the cases of registration of firms in Mumbai only. If a firm has to be registered in Jalgaon, he cannot get it registered in Mumbai. Registrar of Mumbai will not entertain that case. So he has to act within his jurisdiction. But the important point to note here is he is appointed by state government. Okay. Ideally, a firm should always get registered. It has a lot of benefits when it gets registered. We'll discuss those benefits. But it is important to understand that a registered firm gets a being of itself. It becomes a legal person then. It comes into existence. So it is good that the firm is registered, but do you think registration is compulsory? No. Registration is not compulsory, rather it is optional throughout India, except for the states of Gujarat and Maharashtra. In Maharashtra and Gujarat, if you want to form a partnership, you will have to register the firm. Otherwise, that partnership firm will be invalid, and it will not be able to enjoy the benefits of a registered firm that is there. But the thing is that firm will not be considered as a person itself. The firm will not be considered as an entity, and the partners will then represent the firm. Partners represent the firm anyway, but then it's like there's no such firm, there's no entity of the firm, there's no being of the firm. Okay, so it will be like a single partner is doing the business, and he can be personally sued. Okay, so for the firm to have a being, for the firm to have existence, to make a legal person in the form of a firm, you have to register it in Maharashtra and Gujarat compulsorily. Okay. Unregistered firm suffers from a number of disabilities. There are various disabilities of an unregistered firm. We'll discuss these disabilities as we move along in the due course. We have kept this topic ahead. So now please understand that if the firm is not registered, there are a lot of rights that have been taken away from such firms. But for a registered firm, a lot of rights have been given to that firm. And again, please note, if the firm is not registered, it only takes away the rights of the firm and the partners. It does not take away any rights of the outsiders. Outsiders, they continue to get all their rights. Only the rights of the firm and the partners are affected. So that's a very bad news for the firm. So it is always in the interest of the firm that it gets registered, because there are a lot of disabilities of an unregistered firm. Now there's a question coming up before you. A registered firm is a legal person, B illegal person, C corporate body, D cooperative organization. What is a registered firm from the following? The answer is very simple. It's a legal person. I just told you that when a firm gets registered, it comes into being, it comes into existence as a legal person. Now that firm can do business. Now that firm can sell and purchase goods. Now that firm can purchase and sell property. Now that firm can put up cases against outsiders. So this is the importance of registration.